Hello lovelies, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Today we continue our technology lessons that you all love. Margaret and I will show you the most elegant processing. We will process chiffon with a Moscow seam. In this video you will learn how to prepare chiffon for the Moscow seam. This technology involves the specific preparation of the fabric. The Moscow seam has several names, for example French seam, but we all call it that. We will tell you how to choose the right needle for a Moscow seam and which threads are best for working with the chiffon. You will know the 3 stages of Moscow seam technology. But before we get started, you need to do one important thing. In order to beautifully start the Moscow seam, you need to bend the cut to the side where we will put the line in and secure with a pin. This section can be 3 or 5 millimeters, it doesn't matter. We will cut it off, but naturally it is desirable that everything was neat. This is the beginning of the seam. And now we start working with the sewing machine. It's really hard to explain what Margaret is doing, so you should watch carefully. This is how it should look like. It's a tough work, but training will help you. We have sewn until this part. Until this part we will sew the second line. Here's the first and here's the second step. And the third step is final. Watch carefully so you don't miss anything. The thread and needle must be fine. They must also match the fabric. It is easier to make a Moscow seam with thin threads. Now we need to cut off the excess. The width of the stitch is small, and now we will cut neatly. We don't cut these threads, they will help us. No need to iron, and actually that's all. Next step. Pay close attention to the hands of the Margaret and how she does everything. Next step, sewing machine again. Well, this is what the Moscow seam looks like, still without ironing. Great job! Now we will iron and everything I think is ready. Everything is ready, all three steps are complete. This is the end of today's video. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!